Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Salsa. I am a representative of Group 3. And first, let me introduce you to our member of group. First, it's me Salsa, and then our friends Maulana, Ivan Dewa, Aisitri, Sofia Fitriani, Mahya, Laila, and then Devina Mukti, Fitria Ismi, and the last is Faiz Ardiansyah. In this group, in this video, we will discuss about collocation and vocabularies that used in newspaper. So first, let me tell you about what collocation is. Collocation are defined as the word that combine and appear together to compose one sentence with another in single unit of meaning to produce natural sounding language for anyone who learn a foreign language. Or in simple meaning, we can say that collocation is a group of two or more words that usually used together to produce the English more naturally and better. Studying English collocation means that we learn how we speak English like a native English speaker. Okay, learning collocation can be through many media, and one of the media that can be used is newspaper. So, as I said earlier, that the point of this video is to explain how to learn collocation through a newspaper. In this video, we will analyze what collocation usually appear and use in a newspaper, what does it mean, and how the collocation used in correct and appropriate sentence. The newspaper that we will use is one of the well-known newspaper media in New York City, and its name is New York Times. This newspaper already distributed internationally, and it can be purchased and read offline or online. And if you want to read online, it can be accessed through the website www.newyorktimes.com. It can be read for free but limited time. The reason why our group chose the New York Times as a media analyst because the New York Times is one of the news media that can be relied on as an official reference for current events. The online page is cool, I think, and easy to reach. There are many news categories to choose from. Therefore, we also divide several categories from it for each member of our group. There are those who receive business news, travel news, sports, living news, arts, coronavirus, tech, crime news, and another news from different country in the world. So, without any further ado, let's go to the first speaker. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I am Salsa Margareta. I am the first speaker of the third group, and in this video, I would like to show you about my results of collocation and vocabularies in newspaper. So, in this video, we will talk about first, I will show you the news article that I have been analyzed, and then I will explain to you the collocation that I have been found. I also explain to you what the meaning and how to use this collocation in the correct sentence. I will also show you about the vocabularies that I have been found. I will show you the meaning and the example of sentence from vocabularies that I have been found. So first, I will show you the article that I have been analyzed. The title is Two Trains Collide in Pakistan, Killing at least 35. Reported by Salman Masood, June 7, 2021. This news article This text is talk about the train that have an accident in Pakistan that kill at least 35 people. This is the text. I will give you some minutes to read this. Maybe faster. Not only in this video, you can read my article in the paper, our group paper. Okay, next. Okay, I think it's better because I don't have much time, many times, so I hope you can read it in our group paper. So let's go to the analyze. The collocation analyze. The first collocation that I found in this article is injured people, that have the meaning orang yang terluka. I found this collocation in the sentence. Several of the injured people were admitted to hospital in the area. Beberapa orang yang terluka dibawa ke rumah sakit di area. Injured people refers to the people that have physical wound, not hurt because someone cheating on you, no. So the collocation injured people used to describe physical pain, physical wound, and this is the example of the sentence of injured people. Some people around there tried to get the injured people out from the wrecked bus. That they have the meaning, beberapa orang di sekitar sana mencoba mengeluarkan orang yang terluka dari bus yang hancur. Okay, next. The next collocation that I have been found is death toll, that have the meaning korban jiwa. I found this collocation in the sentence. She said, adding that the death toll was likely to rise. That have the meaning, dia berkata, kemungkinan korban jiwa akan terus bertambah. Death tolls mean korban jiwa. This is the example of the sentence. The death toll of the Bali bomb tragedy was 202 people. Korban jiwa dari tragedi bom Bali sebanyak 202 orang. Okay, next. The third collocation is likely, that have the meaning mungkin atau kemungkinan. I found this collocation on the similar previous sentence. She said, adding that the death toll was likely to rise. And I will show you the example of the sentence of likely used. He treats his girlfriend like a princess, but who knows, most likely he's trying to conceal his bad behavior. Dia memperlakukan pacarnya seperti selayaknya putri raja. Tapi siapa tahu, kemungkinan besar dia mencoba menyembunyikan perilaku buruknya. The next collocation is take place, that have the meaning bertempat, berlangsung, atau terjadi. But in this article, took place change into different words, different types. Take place in this article, I found with another type, that is took place. I found this collocation in this sentence. Local news media report that officials in the district where the accident took place, di mana kecelakaan terjadi, had already raised concerns over aging and wound trucks. So this is the example of the sentence. Her dream wedding party will take place in 5-star hotel with sea views in Bali. Pesta pernikahan impiannya akan bertempat di Hotel Bintang 5 dengan pemandangan laut di Bali. Okay, the next is involved in, that have the meaning terlibat dalam. I found this collocation in the sentence, and 2 army helicopters were involved in evacuation. This is the new sample examples. A governor's son is involved in a drug trafficking case. Anak seorang gubernur terlibat dalam perdagangan narkoba. The next is poorly maintained, that have the meaning kurang terawat. I found this collocation in the sentence. Mr. Khan, who came to power in 2018, had vowed to modernize the system, poorly maintain signal system and aging tracks, and to ensure its safety mechanism. This is the example. Several of the damage were blamed on poorly maintained machines. Okay guys, actually I don't show the all collocation that I've been found in this article. I just show you 10 collocation. So if you want to read and know what the other collocation, you can take a look on our group paper. Okay, next, the other collocation that I have been found is major cause, that have the meaning penyebab utama. Some people have asked me what's the difference between major and main. I think major and main have the similar meaning, penyebab utama. Major and main have the meaning utama, but this word used in different condition. Major refers to something big, but main refers to something important or significant. And I found this collocation in the sentence. He said poor track maintenance was a major cause of the string of recent accidents. And the examples, the example of the major cause. Smoking is a major cause of lung cancers. Merokok adalah penyebab utama kanker paru-paru. The next is horrific accident, that have the meaning kecelakaan mengerikan. I found this collocation in the sentence. You can see on the table, and this is the new sentence example. The horrific submarine accident last month still left deep sorrow for the bereaved family. Kecelakaan kapal selam yang mengerikan bulan lalu masih meninggalkan duka mendalam bagi keluarga yang ditinggalkan. Next, I found collocation about train. There is train track, that have the meaning rel kereta. This is the sentence that I found this collocation, and this is the new sentence example. The madman repeatedly walked across the train track. Orang gila itu berulang kali atau bolak-balik berjalan menyeberangi rel kereta. And the last collocation is train traveling. I'm sorry, maybe there's some dysfunctional. Train traveling have the meaning perjalanan kereta api. And I found this collocation in this sentence. You can see on the table. And this is the new sentence example. Next, let's talk about the vocabularies analyzed. I found this in this table. The list of vocabularies that I write in this table is the most vocabularies that frequently used in this article. There are train, kill, passenger, accident, report, and the next is crash, critic, minister, railway. you can see this staple in our group paper too, but because I think it's too long, if I told you one by one of these vocabularies, it maybe needs a long time, so I hope you can understand by yourself. And thank you for the attention. I hope you got my point. I'm sorry if I made some grammatical wrong. I made some wrong pronunciation. Thank you for watching and goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Maulana Haidar Hamid, number SM7. Let us praise to Almighty Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Because of His blessing, I can explain my presentation about collection and vocabularies. Okay, the first is vocation. The place, media, marks to be responsible, automatically, significantly, city, effectively, dan artinya satu vaksinasi tempat media topeng tanggung jawab secara otomatis, secara signifikan, maka secara efektif dan and then the excitement of sentence with collection refers to me the complete those just once but then vaccination is necessary for people who live in serious high risk for the spread of COVID. And then age, crowds, public image are of the causes of the rapid spread of the virus. And then marks, it is automatically determined that the use of marks in public places is mandatory. Media, there are many media that is things like this pandemic, so there is the of illness. And then responsibility, a person who is indicated by this virus must be responsible for that decision. And then automatically, like it's automatically determined that the use of mask is public place mandatory. And then effectively meaning prevention starts from ourselves. And then significantly the transmission of this virus occurs due to work. The attention in managing body image. And then the last city. The COVID pandemic plunge is just one city, but many of city. And then I make a 10 vocabularies. An example. The first, blame. She blames me to going there. And then bitter. They extends to bitter words. Bid, he put the bid in the horse mouth. Benefit, the benefit of rest. Air and exercise. Bid, CBT made a cup of tea. And then the big elephants are big animal. Seven bell. The bell is ringing at 7:30. The last word is Rajendra. In here, I want to explain my analysis about collocation and vocabularies from a newspaper. Okay, next, collocation. There are more collocation in my art. Actually conclude. The meaning benar-benar menyimpulkan. Second, perform credibly. The meaning dilakukan secara kredit. Third, first piece. The meaning of first piece adalah potongan pertama. Fourth, media center. The meaning pusat media. And last, automatically upgrade. The meaning diterapkan secara otomatis. Okay, the example of sentence with collocation. First, actually consult. The example sentence. So what do we actually consult know about the leaks? Number 2, perform credibly. Example of sentence. Commission's Prodi raised the issue of very performed credibly, and many other speakers have done the same. Number 3, first fish. The example of sentence. Imagine the first fish, a man burning his life work. Number 4, media center. The example of sentence. The news become the media center by journalists. And last, automatically upgrade. The example of sentence. The IMF official is hardly the only person to upgrade while a woman order micro. And next, top 5 vocabularies. Number 1, release. The meaning is the release. Discounting. Meaning menurun. Announcement diumumkan. Proceeding prosesi. Building menggunakan. And then in here I want to explain the example of sentence with vocabularies. Number 1, release. The example of sentence. The film was released this year. Number 2, discounting. The example of sentence. Indonesia's economy is discounting. Number 3, announced. The example of sentence. Chelsea club has been announced as the winner. Proceedings. The example of sentence. The marriage ceremony has been proceedings. And last, wielding. The example of sentence. I know a thing or to about wielding. Okay, maybe enough from me. Thank you for your attention. See you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aishtri Ismaya. My number presently is 9. I'm in class TBI 4D and I'm from third group of English Grammar and Corpus. In this video, I want to explain about the result of newspaper article analysis. With the title of the article is Mark Zuckerberg plans to work remotely for at least half of the next year. Oke, dari artikel tersebut saya menemukan ada 11 collocation. Collocation yang pertama yaitu work outside the office, yang berarti bekerja di luar kantor. Dengan contoh kalimat yang telah saya buat, yaitu Sarah will be working outside the office next week. Yang kedua, work or working remotely, yang berarti bekerja jarak jauh. The example sentence, YG company gives YG company gives the policy to working remotely. Yang ketiga ada company spokesperson, yang berarti juru bicara perusahaan. Dan dengan kalimat the director announced a new company spokesperson. Yang keempat, productive at work atau produktif di tempat kerja. Dengan contoh kalimat, Arthur set up bedtimes to be productive at work. Yang kelima, back to the office, yang berarti kembali ke kantor. Contoh kalimatnya, Nina goes back to the office after lunch. Yang keenam, ada in the office, yaitu yang berarti di kantor. Contoh kalimat yang saya buat yaitu the office boy mopping in the office. Yang ketujuh, working days, yang berarti hari kerja. Contoh kalimatnya, Leah got sick on a work day. Yang ke-8, workforce, yang berarti angkatan kerja. Contoh kalimatnya, Jaden was picked out to be the best worker in his workforce. Yang ke-9, reopen or reopening, yang berarti membuka kembali. Contoh kalimatnya, Mom reopening her bakery. Dan selanjutnya yang ke-10, switching office atau pindah kantor. Contoh kalimatnya, Maya decide to switching office. Dan yang terakhir, yang ke-11, yaitu ada pre-pandemic office atau kantor pra-pandemi. Contoh kalimatnya, the employees are required to wear masks to the pre-pandemic office. Dan selanjutnya yaitu ada vocabularies analyzed. Yang pertama ada employees yang memiliki arti pekerja. Contoh kalimatnya, YG Company gives their employees a free parcel. Dan yang kedua ada memo yang memiliki arti nota peringatan atau catatan. Example of sentence, Wuwo read the memo from Ruto. Yang ketiga ada kata half yang memiliki arti separuh. Contoh kalimatnya, J gave half of his apple to Wawan. Yang keempat ada kata journal yang memiliki arti jurnal. Contoh kalimatnya, Yedam was studying a journal. Yang kelima ada kata allows yang memiliki arti mengizinkan. Contoh kalimatnya, Rose allowed Lisa to join her study group. Dan yang terakhir, kata terakhir yaitu remote atau yang memiliki arti jauh. Contoh kalimatnya, Yoyo visit a remote village from the city. Demikian penjelasan dari analisis collocation dan vocabularies dari saya. Sekian, terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello, I am Sofia Fitriani. I'm from the third group. Here, I would like to explain you about my analysis of collocation and vocabulary in newspaper. Especially my part is art. Okay, let's start now. From the first is collocation. You can see it in my PowerPoint, right? Okay. These are several collocation that I found, namely social movement yang berarti gerakan sosial, marvelous place tempat yang menakjubkan, Steve artistic yang berarti kepala artistik. The next is great industry yang berarti industri yang hebat, and the last is celebratory space yang berarti tempat perayaan. Okay, to help understand it, here there are some example of sentence with this collocation. The first is social movements. The example is, this case was handled after 1 year's social movement. Artinya adalah kasus ini telah ditangani setelah aksi sosial tahun lalu. The next is marvelous place. The example is Indonesia has marvelous place, one of which is Bali. Artinya adalah Indonesia memiliki tempat yang menakjubkan, salah satunya adalah Bali. The next is chief artistic. The example is we choose Jack as the chief artistic, artinya kita memilih Jack sebagai ketua artis. Again, the next is great industry. The example is this company is one of the great industry in Indonesia. Artinya adalah perusahaan ini merupakan salah satu perusahaan yang hebat yang ada di Indonesia. Okay, and the last is celebratory space. The example is they have been waiting for you in celebratory space for an hour. Artinya adalah mereka telah menunggumu di ruang perayaan selama 1 jam. Okay, the next is the 10 most frequently vocabularies found in this news. The first is exhibition yang berarti pameran. The next is represent yang berarti mewakili. The next is redesign yang berarti mendesain ulang. Then rethink memikirkan ulang. The next is overhaul yang artinya merombak. The next is scale yang berarti miring. The next is production yang berartinya produksi. Then dokumenter yang berarti dokumenter. The next is acceptance yang berarti penerimaan. And the last is recognition yang berarti pengakuan. Okay, for more detail, the following are the examples of sentence with this vocabulary. The first is exhibition. The example is this exhibition was held in front of Paris City Hall. Artinya adalah pameran ini digelar di depan Balai Kota Paris. The next is repetition. The example is she was chosen to represent our school. Artinya adalah dia dipilih untuk mewakili sekolah kita. And the next is redesign. The example is they decided to redesign their house. Artinya mereka memutuskan untuk mendesain ulang rumah mereka. And the next is rethink. The example is he rethinks about how to solve this problem. Artinya adalah dia memikirkan ulang bagaimana cara untuk memecahkan masalah ini. And the next is overhaul. The example is the current government needs a complete overhaul. Artinya adalah pemerintah saat ini membutuhkan perombakan total. Again, the next is go. The example is I think your picture is a little skewed. Artinya adalah aku pikir gambarmu sedikit miring. And the next is documentary. The example is you have to watch the documentary. Artinya adalah kamu harus menonton film documentary. And the next is production. The example is the film began production in February 2008. Okay, the next is exception. The example is if I get exception earlier, I will start in the spring semester. Artinya adalah jika saya mendapatkan penerimaan lebih awal, saya akan memulai pada semester musim semi. And the last is recognition. The example is he also received increasing academic recognition of his work. Artinya adalah dia juga menerima pengakuan akademis yang meningkat atas pekerjaan. Okay, I think enough for me. I hope this can add some knowledge for you. Thank you for your attention.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mahya Izzatul Husna. I'm from the class. Here I will explain you about analysis collocation and vocabulary collocation that I find in the text by the title Crook Corner, a landmark North Carolina restaurant has closed. So in the text I find, saya menemukan beberapa kolokasi, yaitu yang pertama kata locally. Kata locally memiliki arti secara lokal yang terdapat pada kalimat Mr. Neil had made his name locally as a chef with the French restaurant. Kata locally hanya terdapat satu kali saja pada teks tersebut, jadi persentasenya itu 0,20%. Selanjutnya adalah caught the attention yang memiliki arti menarik perhatian yang terdapat pada kalimat the restaurant caught the attention of Craig Kilborn, The New York Times. Kata tersebut hanya memiliki satu kali saja pada teks tersebut, jadi persentasenya 0,20%. And the next collocation is award winner yang memiliki arti pemenang penghargaan. Kata tersebut terdapat pada kalimat James Award winner John Carlin from Oxford. Persentasenya juga masih sama 0,20%. Selanjutnya yaitu pada kata using the word. Kata using the word have the meaning menggunakan kata-kata yang terdapat pada kalimat he said like using the word garlic mayonnaise on the menu. So the persentase is 0,20% because hanya terdapat hanya satu kali saja pada teks tersebut. And the next collocation is old dinner yang memiliki arti restoran tua yang terdapat pada kalimat the table look like an old dinner on purpose. Persentasenya juga masih sama 0,20%. And the next, the example sentence with the collocation. Jadi kolokasi pertama tadi locally yang memiliki arti, and the next is the example of sentence with collocation. The first collocation, kolokasi pertama tadi yaitu kata locally, dipakai contoh untuk membuat kalimat yaitu he will buy a rifle locally and be complete to test in our first. And the next collocation is caught the attention. Contoh kalimatnya menggunakan kolokasi caught the attention yaitu one particular factor caught our attention. And the next is kolokasi selanjutnya yang digunakan untuk membuat contoh kalimat yaitu award winner. Kata award winner itu dipakai untuk contoh kalimat yaitu my sister last year award winner. Selanjutnya yaitu kata old dinner. Contoh kalimatnya when I go to Jakarta, I pass by an old dinner. And the next analysis is vocabulary analysis. And the next is vocabulary analysis. Saya menemukan banyak sekali vocabulary pada kalimat berita tersebut. Seperti kata wife yang memiliki arti istri. Contoh for the example of sentence is my wife is cooking for me. And the next is treated yang memiliki arti diobati. Contoh kalimatnya I was treated by my father. And the next vocabulary is referred yang memiliki arti dirujuk. Contoh kalimatnya menggunakan kata referred yaitu my neighbor was referred to Surabaya. And the next is ingredient yang memiliki arti bahan-bahan. Contoh kalimatnya yaitu bread contains nutrition ingredient. And the next vocabulary is kitchen, yang memiliki arti dapur. Contoh kalimatnya menggunakan kata kitchen yaitu my kitchen is very clean. And the next is reason, artinya yaitu alasan. Contoh kalimatnya menggunakan kata reason yaitu you have the right reason to take a vacation. And the next vocabulary is different, yang memiliki arti berbeda. Contoh kalimatnya I have a different nature from my sister. Dan vocabulary tersebut hanya memiliki satu kali saja kata tersebut pada teks berita. Jadi persentasenya sama, semuanya 0,20%. My explanation about my analysis collocation and vocabularies that I have analysis in the text. I think enough. If I have some mistake, apologize me please. And the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Lailatul Istifaiyah from TBI 40. Today I will show you about the result of my collocation and verb in my PPT. So here we go. So the content of my PPT is the first kind of the text. So I will show you about kind of the text that I already chose. And the second is collocation. I will explain collocation and the example in sentences. And the last is verb. I will explain the verb and the example in sentences. So the first is kind of the text. So this is one of the part of the newspaper, which is the category of the text is technology. So the second is collocation. So these are 10 collocations and examples in sentences. The first is personal data. Personal data is needed when we want to find a job. Jadi data pribadi diperlukan ketika kita ingin mencari sebuah pekerjaan. And then is weighed in. Jenny feels her diet is success after she weighed in her weight. Jadi Jenny merasa dietnya berhasil setelah dia menimbang berat badannya. And then is specific data, or in Indonesia is data specific. App by app atau aplikasi demi aplikasi, deadlines atau tenggat waktu, blacklist daftar hitam, each other satu sama lain, laying down berbaring, foreign country negara asing, and the last is lashed out atau mencaci maki. Jadi teman-teman di sini bisa sambil melihat beberapa contoh yang telah saya paparkan dalam PPT berikut. And the next is verb. So these are 10 verbs and example in sentences. The first is apps atau aplikasi. The TikTok apps is the millennials favorite application. Jadi TikTok adalah aplikasi favorit kaum milenial. And then is messaging atau perpesanan. WhatsApp is an easy and fast messaging app. WhatsApp adalah aplikasi perpesanan yang mudah dan cepat. And then is control atau mengontrol. Kemudian technology atau teknologi, and then data atau data, share membagi atau berbagi, and then security atau keamanan, and links atau tautan, telecommunications atau telekomunikasi, and the last is power atau kekuatan. Jadi teman-teman bisa sambil membaca atau melihat beberapa contoh yang telah saya paparkan dalam PPT berikut. Okay, so this is the last of my PPT. I hope the PPT can help you to understand about collocation and verb and the example in sentences. So if I have any mistake, I really apologize to all of you. And the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Devina Muklisari from G class. My number present is 21, and I'm from third group, so I make an analysis about newspaper. And in this time, I choose a newspaper article from New York Times newspaper website with the title "Can Travel Be Fun Again" by Andrew. This newspaper is talk about travel. This is my table about frequently used vocab. I found about 11 vocab that frequently used in this article. The first is travel, means perjalanan. Travel is used for 21 times and have the percentage about 1.46%. And place and visit is used for 6 times, so the both has the percentage about 0.41%. And country and pandemic is used for 5 times and have the percentage about 0.34. Country means kota and pandemic is pandemi. The sixth is vaccinated, means vaksinasi, is used for 3 times in the article, so the percentage is 0.20%. The next is flight, means penerbangan, and flight is also used for 3 times and has the percentage about 0.20%. The next is plane, makes, trip, and adventure is used for 2 times in article, so have the percentage about 0.13. Plane is mean pesawat, makes is masker, trips is perjalanan, and adventure is petualangan. Because this newspaper article talk about travel, so the most frequently vocab used is like travel, visit, and places. And this article is published at June 2021 in pandemic era, so this article also have the vocab like pandemic, makes, and vaccinated. So everyone, I will show you my 10 example of sentences that I made. The first is travel, and the sentence is, we have a good travel. The next is country. Jakarta is the big country. Next is pandemic. Let's pray that this pandemic will end soon. The next is visit, and the example is, next month I will visit my old school. The next is places. There are many beautiful places in Indonesia. Next is trips. I had a short trip to Bali Island. The next is flight. Your flight plan to Indonesia has been cleared. And the next is plane. The example is, I will go to Indonesia by plane. Next is mask. Don't forget to wear your mask when you go outside. And the last is adventures. The example is, my brother really likes going on forest adventures. I think that's all for me, and I apologize for every mistakes. And thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fitra Ismail Nazula. I will explain about the English collocation on newspaper, and I'm from third group. The title of the newspaper that I analyzed is Kim Jong-un calls K-pop vicious cancer in the new culture war. And here is the newspaper from the New York Times. The section is collocation, example, and vocabulary analysis. The first is the example of the sentences with collocation. And here is the 10 out of the 21 collocation that I find in the text. There are around the world, day has gone, living hell, culture shock, outside influence, stealing the hearts as part of, closed door, thumbs up, and fall in love. And the next is vocabularies analyze. The vocabularies here is the top 10 of the most mentioned in the text. The first is North Korea. North, the mean utara, the percentage is 3%. North here is the most mentioned because the topic of this title is about the North Korean, and the next is Korean. The percentage is 1,9%. The next is South. The percentage is 1,4%. Said 0,6%. And government 0,6%. And then influence with 0,5%. And then small group with 0,5%. And then watch with 0,4%. And then culture with 0,4%. And the last is entertainment. There are 0,3%. The entertainment here are also the most mentioned because the topic is about the K-pop that are included in the entertainment sector. There are explanation about me. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Faiz Ardiansyah. I from TBI 40 class. My number present C 27 and I from third group. So I make an analysis about newspaper. The title newspaper is Bobby Rush left the Blues 6 tickets on the still playing them. After I read the newspaper, I find collocation. The collocation analyze number 1, long break, yang artinya istirahat panjang. Sentence in article, first live performance in over a year and uncharacteristically long break. Number 2, hardly play, yang artinya hampir tidak bermain. Sentence in article, I could hardly play my guitar. Number 3, an acknowledgement of the years, yang artinya sebuah pengakuan tahun. Sentence in article, an acknowledgement of the years he spent touring the network of small clubs for black. Number 4, a lifetime achievement of sorts, yang artinya semacam pencapaian seumur hidup. Sentence in article, a lifetime achievement of sort, I have known so many of these cats. Number 5, awakening trigger, yang artinya kebangkitan dipicu. Sentence in article, awakening triggered by the murder of George Floyd and reinforced by the pandemic. Collocation number 6, mainly white, yang artinya terutama putih. Sentence in article, mainly white audience that brought fame, if not always fortune, to the blues big stars. And collocation number 7, acted differently. Collocation number 8, early teens, yang artinya remaja awal. Sentence in article, a small town in the Arkansas Delta when he was still a child by his early teens. Collocation number 9, regularly sneaking, yang artinya menyelinap secara teratur. Sentence in article, Russ was regularly sneaking into the music clubs in nearby Pine Bluff, a hub black culture and commerce. Collocation number 10, ultimately more successful, yang artinya akhirnya lebih sukses. The example of sentence with collocation. Number 1, long break. Example of sentence, first live performance in over a year uncharacteristically long break. Number 2, hardly play. He can hardly play because he will be asked to go. An acknowledgement of the years. Early teens. A small town in the Filipina Delta when he was still a child. By his early teens. Regularly sneaking. Truss regularly sneak into the music club in nearby Serundul FC, the center of black culture and commerce. The vocabulary analyze. Number 1, step, yang artinya melangkah. Number 2, represent, yang artinya diwakili. Number 3, performance, yang artinya kinerja. Yang keempat, heart, yang artinya mendengar. Yang kelima, repeat, yang artinya diulang. Determine, bertekad. Mention, tersebut. Including, meaning termasuk. Example of sentence, the price including ticket in. Difference, meaning perbedaan. There are different animals living on land and in water. Start, dimulai. Stands, berdiri. Theo stands near the house waiting for his friend. Convince, yakin. Have to convince and mean in order to get what you want. That's all from my explanation and friends. If there is a wrong word, we apologize. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.